Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show my friend who's the boss now. Look at this. It's big than I thought. I thought it's small. But you don't know how much it's worth it? Okay, I'm talking to Steven. How much is worth it? Look at this. Value 331 trillion of this money. It's a bigger than me. Oh yeah, I forgot this one is cost for me. Okay? And then this is my friend named Jamal. Look, see? This is my friend. He's so funny pala. And then look, more balls around. And then this naiba swarm to like worker swarm like that. Worker swarm to a bee swarm. Ewan ko bakit. Sabi daw niya. Acting. Choco, Zombified, Honey Blaze, Frozen Gold, Candy Blossom daw. Even hindi mo na makano yan, yung kg niya. 120.7 kg. Oh yeah, I forgot this friend is here, so okay. And then, look, see? It's so big than I thought. Sabi daw ni Jamal o friend ko, sabi daw niya, pwede ko daw i-sell. Pwede ko i-sell ko o bawal. So, nasa-sell ko lang. I'm trying to flex them. And then, so, goodbye. Bye-bye.